Hey everybody, it's Moffat. I'm going to show you a couple free response questions and post these on YouTube. Well, and I'm going to put them in Teams so you'll be with a safe link so you'll be able to get to it. But yeah. So, I'm going to show you number 3 and 4 from the 2018 test. That's the one I want you guys to do. And this is my help session. Remember, I did email you the links, and on Teams I emailed you a link to the answers, and on Teams I posted a link to the answers. So, first one. 3% of the children born from multiple births, 22% are left-handed, 11% are, multiple births, it's left-handed. Ooh, I messed it up. It's all good. 22% are lefty. If they're not, 11% are lefty. So I actually messed this up. So the best way to approach this is a tree diagram. Multiple births, single births. If it was multiple, here's where I messed up. This should be 22. This should be 78. And then for single births, it should be 11 and 89. So these are dependent events, right? The first event changes the chance of the left-handed, which is the second event happening. So this is how I got the 89 and the 11 was this 1 minus. You know, they should be matching up with the complements. To finish a tree diagram, you have to take each section and multiply it across to get the final amount. So what's the probability that a person is left-handed? Well, you're going to take both of the left-handed results. I didn't do them both because you're going to have to. And then add them up. What's the probability that a child born in the region is from multiple births given they're left-handed? So that's going to be, new total is the left-handed people. Which ones is the multiple births? That's my only hint for you. Look at the scoring guide if you need it. And then we have a binomial question. This has been on every single one lately, so binomial clearly is a thing. It says, what's the probability of at least 3 children who are lefty? We'll use the answer from A, and then use binom CDF. And you'll have to, figure out how to navigate that. At least 3, what does that mean? What's the complement, because you're going to have to do some 1 minus business. Because at least 3 means, 3 or more. So what's the opposite of that? That's 2 or less. Anyway, I'll leave you to that. The other one you're going to need to do is, of course, okay, the announcement was just turned on. That was obnoxious. Anyhow, this question asks about a study. Could you say the new procedure causes a reduction in time? Remember, an experiment shows cause and effect, and the only way to do an experiment is if you do good aspects of an experiment. You use good design, which means random assignment of treatment and a control group. Again, you can look at the scoring guide if you want to see the answer. And then it says they actually took the data and want you to do a test. Convincing statistical evidence. That's a significance test if I ever saw one. Definitely has a mean and standard deviation. 2 sample. It's definitely a 2 sample. There's the standard and the new. And you're going to run through your stuff. It doesn't give you an alpha level, so just use 0.05. Always use 0.05 if they don't give you one. Here, I'm going to write it in. Alpha equals 0.05. Cool. Now, good luck, everybody. If you need me, have your sub email me or email me. I'll be out at the tournament, so I'll get a response when I can. Anyway, have a good one, everyone.